Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with extreme momentum and risks. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Regencell Bioscience Holdings, ticker RGC, an early stage biopharma developing traditional Chinese medicine treatments for neurocognitive disorders like ADHD and autism spectrum disorder. 2025 has been unbelievable for RGC. Shares exploded over 17,000% year to date from lows around 0.09, recently hitting all time highs above $83 before pulling back, driven by intense speculation, high trading volume, and momentum in low float names. As of late December, shares are trading around $23 with sharp intraday swings, including a recent 10 to 11% rally on heightened investor attention amid ongoing volatility. However, the company remains pre-revenue, disclosed a DOJ probe into share trading, and flagged going concern doubts. This highlights classic high-risk speculative trading rather than fundamental progress. Momentum play or extreme caution? Share your thoughts below. Buy the volatility, hold, or stay away. Like for more volatile stock alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.